everyone! For all of those who are new here, welcome to Makeup Simplified. I am Kashmira, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to get this glittery pinkish eyeshadow look for Valentine's Day or Galentine's Day. I've used the glitter eyeshadow by ColourPop, and I'm also going to show you a little bit of contouring, not too much, but just a quick step-by-step contouring tutorial in this video as well. So let's get started.
Let's start with the eye makeup using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in Ebony. Fill any sparse areas. I like to extend it slightly beyond its natural length to make them long. You can go bold with your eyebrows, but I like to keep them natural with only light strokes and fluffing them out with a spoolie. But I do like to keep them in place using the clear Anastasia Brow Gel. I'm then using the Nars Pro Prime Smudge Proof base on the eyelids. This is by far my favorite eyeshadow primer, which doesn't crease, mattifies, and makes it easy to blend the eyeshadows. I'm using the super popular Sweet Talk eyeshadow palette by ColourPop next. I will use shade Dreammaker to define my crease using a medium-sized fluffy blending brush. Mine is Sephora Pro Brush number 27. I'm going out to inwards, putting majority product on the outer crease. This allows for color saturation in the outer corner. Pick up more product, tap off excess, and again start from the outer corner. As I go from outer to inner corner, I'm also buffing it out by doing light circular motions. Remember to keep a very light hand while blending. Now I will deepen the crease using shade Meadow, going with a smaller morph tapered blending brush for precise color placement and blending. We are following same motion as earlier, making the outer V more defined, but buffing the edges so there are no harsh lines. Finally, using the darkest of the three shades in case you missed it, going in for further deepening of crease. I'm using the same morph blending brush as earlier, placing the product in the outer corner, working to the inner, and blending it. Use a clean fluffy brush to prevent any unwanted pigments on the eyeshadow and to blend the whole look together. We're doing a cut crease for a look today. I'm using the Laura Mercier concealer for this. Place it using a concealer brush and along the lid, working up to the crease. You need a very tiny amount of concealer for this and set it with powder. Now using shade Side to Side, I'll dab it on my lids, followed by the shade Garden Date, which is just creating a transition between the two colors, so dab it only where the matte meets the glitter on your eyelids. Time for face makeup using the Too Faced Hangover Primer. It has coconut water and probiotics in it, which provide instant hydration and create a smooth hydrated base. For color correction, I'm using Rise by Live Tinted Hue Sticks. It is very blendable, but I like to go light with my coverage. I apply it under my eyes, around my mouth, and blend it with my fingertips. I'm applying this medium coverage concealer by Laura Mercier under my eyes, around my mouth, and my nostrils. It's in shade 3W. I also use it to highlight my forehead and bridge of the nose. I will blend all of it with a beauty blender. A small beauty blender is preferred, especially under the eyes. The color corrector helps to offset any gray shadows that are created from using the concealer alone. This Maybelline Dream Urban Cover Foundation has SPF in it and is full coverage foundation in the shade 128. My favorite beauty blender is the one by ColourPop, and second favorite is Real Techniques in the affordable range. Use it to blend all over your face, neck, and ears. I'm using the Bobbi Brown foundation stick for contouring in shade Cool Almond number 7.25. I'll start from my ear and bring it halfway just till my eye. You're lining right along the hollows of your cheeks. Also, for a nice sharp jawline, go under the jaw and along the hairline on the forehead. I'm using a clean small beauty blender to blend this all. You can work one area at a time as the foundation might dry up, making it hard to blend. Go in a dabbing movement and never pull it with your beauty blender. Always use a cool tone color for contouring, which is at least 2 shades darker than your foundation. Next, I'm using a translucent powder to accentuate the contour, so going right underneath my cheekbones till the angle of my mouth, and also under my eyes to set my concealer. Back to the eyes again. I'm using these 2 shades on my lower lashes and blending it using the Sephora Precision Smudge Brush and bring it only halfway on my lower lashes. Finally, using the shade Feel Free on the outer corner of my eye, just in the small V of my eyes. Follow this with Black Liner by Tarteist. To get a lifted winged look, don't go all the way out to the corner, but just a little before the outer corner, starting lifting the eyeliner. Also, don't go all the way to the inner corner of your eyelid, as that can make your eyes look smaller. Apply thin, small strokes, building up as you go. Remember, it's easier to add more than to take off. Next is the star of the show, the Hello Kitty ColourPop Collection Twinkle Me Glitter Gel. The best way to apply it is using the fingertips. Go over the eyelid in the area you've applied the concealer for cut crease. The glitter stars in the gel reflect light, creating a beautiful twinkling effect. Some rosy brown blush comes next by Fenty Beauty in shade Rose Latte. It looks gorgeous on olive skin tone. Dab it on the apples of your cheeks using Beauty Blender. Finally comes the Fenty Beauty Kilowatt highlighter on the high points of my cheeks to accentuate my cheekbones, on my brow bone. Go all intense on the cheekbones and also highlighting on the chin and my cupid's bow. Now I'll take off all the translucent powder from the cheeks and from under my eyes as well. Going in with some bronzing using the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Bronzer in Nude Bronze to warm up the cheeks and face overall. I forgot about the mascara, but here you go. I'm using my Tarte Lights Camera Mascara on the upper and lower lashes. But for ultimate drama, I will be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills False Lashes.
Hey Google, timer for 30 seconds.
Sure, 30 seconds. Starting now.
Stop.
This helps to make the glue on the lashes tacky, which helps it to stick properly. I like to use the lash applicator as it gives me a clear view of my lashes. Going on to the lips using Bite Beauty Lip Liner in 068, which is unavailable now, but Bite Beauty Lip Crayon in Stinger gives you the same color effect. The new Nars Air Matte Lip Color is like the MAC Powder Kiss formula, is a perfect warm nude. The shade I'm using is Joyride. The MAC Powder Kiss formula that comes close to this is the color Mullet Over. The Nars formula is soft and provides medium coverage. Another color which comes very close is the Smashbox Driver's Seat. Setting this look using Too Faced Hangover Setting Spray and dabbing it with a Beauty Blender to make it flawless and even.
So this is my final Valentine's Day look, guys. Let me know in the comments below, what are you guys planning to do on Valentine's Day? Is it going to be virtual or at home? What are your big plans?
Check out my recent YouTube shorts where I've shown an easy hairstyle in just 15 seconds.
Subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon, and you can find me on IG at make.up.simplified. Have fun this Valentine's Day. Bye!